How to see your liked reels on Instagram. Now, you might have liked or interacted with a reel that you can no longer see on your Instagram feed. Now, if you want to see the reels that you have liked on Instagram, all you have to do is to go to your profile icon on the lower corner and then click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now, once you're here, just have to scroll down and search for your activity, which is right here. Now go to the likes, right there. And it will give you every post, reels, or contents that you have liked so far on your Instagram account. Now, in order for you to see only those reels that you have liked, you just have to scroll this to the right and tap on all contents type. Now you just have to filter this to only reels and hit apply. And now you will be able to see every reel that you have liked on your Instagram account. So that's how to see your liked reels on Instagram. Hope we help.